Okay, more UI, more UI, never-ending UI. Gonna try out a few different things here. Let's try out a few different things. So one is we're gonna try out moving all of these things to the middle. Okay, and then we'll do a little probably 2 different boxes here. So we're gonna have like a little header with like some space. This is also thanks to Brutus. Brutus gave me some ideas on this last night. So trying out his ideas. Gonna go with the, is it 10% or is it? I forget if it's 10% or 20% on this. It's 10%, okay. Okay. Man. It's, dude. You know what I was thinking about earlier? Is just like how much shit I need to do in this game. I think it's overwhelming, but then you just gotta think, man, like I got 3 hours tonight. Like 3 hours is a lot of time. Like if things go well and I'm focused, like you can get a lot of stuff done in 3 hours. So, try to have a focused night. And try to really put a big dent in this gear UI, getting all this shit working tonight. And then I got a 3-day weekend, man. Most of us got a 3-day weekend. 3-day weekend. I haven't had one in forever, so we gotta make a huge push in this game this weekend. Okay, so then, yeah, I'm looking at this. I think we want the stroke color to be this color, a highlight. We want to make it pretty small. I don't know if 2 is too small, but we'll try out 2. Okay. And then, yeah, we can do one more of these. And we're going to stretch this down here like this. Oh, shit. Obviously, we need a little buffer on the side. I think this has to come down a little more too. Yeah, I could make this. I could make this wider, like this, so it's actually. Actually, I don't know if I like that. Okay, if we make this about the same distance that it is. Okay, well, this is option one. I think I like it overall. Let's just see how it looks when we put it on the rest of them though. Hey, Zachary. I am doing pretty well today, yeah. We're doing good. How about you, man? You say you're in school for game dev, right? Or do you say you're just in school for coding in general? Got any stuff you're working on? It's just you and me right now, to be honest. No, your first chatter of the night, just so you know. Been a busy day? Oh, you just started school for game dev. Nice. Okay, do you have any prior experience with the game dev, coding or anything? Or are you beginning your adventure? None at all. All right, I'm doing Code Monkeys, free code camps. Nice. Yeah, man. Focus on the coding. Coding is the most important thing to focus on at first, because you need very deep knowledge of coding to really make any game of significance. All right, you got any opinions on this UI menu for me? Anything you don't like? Anything you like? I'm trying to get this gear menu to fit in. Man, it looks a little claustrophobic on the gear side to me. I'll be honest, dude. I think all these fonts can go down. Like, literally every single one. All these bigger fonts, we should probably make smaller. Like that. Probably make it look a little better. Because it's a fairly big menu. Like, on a 1920 by 1080, like, it'll look like this big. Like, that's plenty. It's very legible still, so we can afford to have a smaller text size if we need it, which I think helps us here. Did I actually change this one? Yeah, I did. So this is option one. Looks good so far, but gear is uncentered. Oh, do you mean like it's not like the same size as this one over here? Or are you saying the word is uncentered? Oh yeah, the word is uncentered. Okay, I got you. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So let's remember this one. In fact, man, I have so many layers, like it's actually absurd. This is getting pretty... I'm not sure how PowerPoint doesn't just crash at this point, but it's holding up. So I'm gonna put this all in its own group. And then we can hide it, so we can come back to that. And then I'm gonna make another group here. And then I want to try this option over here, where we basically left align everything, and then we just have like smaller headers. And I want to try to figure out which one I like better. Managed to get Chris Parker from Obsidian Entertainment to be my mentor. Wait, Obsidian, like... Oh, I think I was thinking a different Obsidian. Obsidian Entertainment. I was thinking of that app Obsidian for some reason. What games do they got? No shit. Yeah, that's some big names. Hell yeah, dude. That's sick. Yo, as long as you can just keep that fire, man, you'll be good. Sometimes it's hard to keep it, but game dev is exciting overall, so. Okay, so then let's go option 2 here. Is so then what I was thinking for option 2 is a little bit different. We just do something like this. And Oh man, yeah, I don't know if we need to make these the same size or just fit the words. We'll try different. We'll try the same size first. What made me choose Unity? Oh shit. Wait. They're all above. What made me choose Unity? Well, okay. There's honestly the biggest reason that I chose Unity is because of C sharp. I much prefer to code in C sharp than in C++. There's a few other good reasons, but I would say that's my number one reason. The number two reason is probably that I feel like Unity is better suited for indie game developers. Like overall, like Unity kind of as complex as Unity is, it's very complex. But I would say Unity seems simpler to me overall than like Unreal Engine. So I don't know. Unity just feels like it's like a good indie game engine. Has lots of tutorials out there. Feels fairly easy to pick up. Has kind of all the features you would ever want. I mean, Unity's fairly weak with multiplayer. I would say that's its biggest drawback. But it's not like you can't do it. Like Genshin Impact was made in Unity, like Valheim was made in Unity. Um, what's that other game? There's some other massive game made in Unity with multiplayer. Can't remember though right now. How to go from physics? Well, I still do physics. That's what I do for my day job. And I just do this kind of at night as a hobby for the most part. But I really want to like actually, I've been doing this as a hobby for many, many years, and like I really want to release a game, like a full-fledged game. So I'm hoping Zen Fisher I can carry to the finish line. We'll see. I've had so many abandoned projects. It's really tough, but I do feel ready to finish this project. I feel like I have the tools finally. So we'll see. It's just a matter of can I stay at it for, a year plus. I'm only a few weeks into this one, so I just need to keep going for if you could just keep going and going and going on a game for like 6, 8 months and just see where you're at, be like at that point I feel like you'll have like a pretty good feel, can you finish it, and you'll get motivated. But I feel like that months 2 through like 8 are the hardest months of game dev. I'm invested. You'll either finish it or you'll block me. That's what I like to hear, Brutus. Let's go. There we go. Brutus, first shadow of the night on Twitch. Hey, Toxic Thief is back. Hi. Hi, Toxic Thief. How's your night, dude? What is this little icon you got next to your name? Turbo? What is that? Oh, you've been here? Okay. Okay, you guys, we get to see it. Okay, first of all, do we like the same width for all of these, or should they be different widths? This is option 1, of course. Let's see what, like, different widths look like. Hmm. Oh, you don't get ads with Turbo? Oh, that's right. That's what Turbo is. I forgot. Okay, so we could either have this or this. Different widths, definitely. That's what I'm feeling too, right? That feels way better. Yeah, the different widths feels better, I think. Just like that was my immediate reaction. Okay, so I think we're decided on that. Can we do? Yeah, this one's just weirdly. Something like that. This doesn't have to be finalized. Gotta be up early. All right, man. Hope to see you again soon, bro. Take it easy. Did I try your other suggestion? I did. Ready? You ready, Bruce? I'm fucking ready. All right, option 1, option 2. This is what you meant, right? This is what you want to see. My initial feeling is option 1 is better. It feels less like claustrophobic, like less things are going on. It's just feels more open. It isn't. Well, what do you like this better? What do you like about it? I wanna understand what other people like and don't like, so I can make informed decisions. I mean, yeah. My personal reasoning is just that like it may not be as what's the word? Like consistent. But I like the extra open space here. You know, it just feels like there's more open space and like doesn't feel like there's as much going on. It's kind of my option 2 is visually consistent. Yes, I do agree it is more visually consistent. Okay, okay. So you're saying this, but maybe everything a little smaller. The UI pane? Oh God. Wait, you're talking about like the background? Man, that's a nightmare to fix at this point. Entire menu, dude, yeah, that's fucking nightmare to fix. It's only a nightmare because I mean, yeah, but okay, but I have a second reason why I don't want to do that though. And the reason is at some point when you have like a nested menu, or sorry, not a nested menu, but like it's not a full screen menu, it's a pop-up menu. At some point there's a point at which it gets too large and it starts to look clunky, and I'm very much on that threshold right now. I think that's just my personal opinion, but that's also something I'm weighing with this menu, is that like if I were to make it much bigger, then it starts to take up such a gigantic amount of space on the screen that it loses its pop-up aspect. So with those two things combined, and mainly number one, which is I didn't make it. Well, you know, maybe it isn't a nightmare, but it might not be a nightmare in Unity to change it, but it would be a nightmare in Photoshop to change things because everything's like hard coded as fuck. In Unity, I have everything to like scale and compensate pretty well, so it would be much less of a nightmare there. But prototyping would be a nightmare. What if I make these a little smaller in this case? The second reason is like the pop-up. Like at some point, this pop-up menu gets too big. Like it becomes too close to full screen and starts to look really clunky. I don't know. This is one of the few things I've learned about UI in my life is that like bigger and close. I mean, it's the same principle as going on right here, right? It's like bigger is not always better because bigger means smaller margins. And like in the case of like a pop-up menu where you're trying to like be immersive and show the background, if you make it too big, then it kind of loses its value. So I'm scared of making this pop-up menu much bigger. Check Discord. Yeah, well, that one's transparent. I think if you have a transparent menu, it changes a lot of things in terms of that design rule that I'm saying. Aaron says ship it. Dude, I'm about to ship it, dude. We're about to go boot up Unity. Let's try a slightly smaller font here. How about that? The padding needs to be smaller, like this padding. Padding should be consistent with the outermost edge. The top row has... Oh, well, yeah, it's just because there's no labels. It's just because there's no labels on this one. Which, like, I can't put labels on this one, so... I thought you meant the padding on the words. You think this one should have no padding? Because there's no words? Or, like, similar padding? Like this, and then I can scooch this menu up more. The same as the others that do have text? Okay. No, well... It does. Like this box is the same as this box right now. Okay, you're saying the what I have like this. Okay, you're saying this margin right here. Gotcha. Okay. No, yeah, I agree. Okay, yeah, we should change that. A deal? Hey, bro, have you designed all the UI yourself? I have, yeah, with the help of Brutus and others. With the help of external opinions, I have done the design work. Can't speak English, dude. Voice is leaving me. What about the size of this thing? Feels like there needs to be some amount of margin here, but maybe small. Is all of your inventory logic done? And then are you working on the UI? Yeah, basically all the inventory stuff is done for now. Yeah, I ported all that over, and all the hover menus and all that shit is working. So now we're bringing in gear. And then we're gonna code up that logic. And helper layers, you're right. I probably should use those. I never use those in Photoshop. I just kind of wing it, dude. Because at the end of the day, it's not getting ported in perfectly. I do the perfectness in Unity. I also think the header needs to be full width, no outline. Full width, no outline. Like this. It isn't that, well, yeah, okay. I mean, fair. You mean just like it matches this outline. Like that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, all right. Okay, that is looking definitely better. So, do we like this or this? Hmm. Oh no. Something's happened here. I don't know what happened. It's pretty hard and time consuming to set up UI. Oh, it's unimaginably hard, dude. Like setting up all the UI and coding all the logic and having it all work with the game is like it's actually like a significant chunk of the whole game. It's like I can't put a percentage on it, but it's like it's anywhere from like 10 to 30% of the actual whole game is making all the UI. Although I don't know, depends how like what you count, but like you know you have to have a back end working at some level for the UI to work. Like the items have to be implemented to work with the inventory. So I'm kind of counting that, but yeah, like it's the UI is fucking very intertwined with the whole game. Yeah, so yeah, I guess we did. Yeah, I do like this better. Yeah. Damn, okay, you've won me over, Brutus. You guys like this better than this one? I mean, it's a little hard to compare now because these have changed, but shocker. It is a shocker. What are the fonts on this? This is like, yeah, this is still 11. I think these can go down to 10, like I had on the other one. Animating UI is a new challenge? Dude, yeah. I haven't done any of the animating stuff. Fuck, man. And I probably should. Like, my menu should probably, like, drop down, you know, and, like, bounce in. I feel like that's the vibe of this game. What do you, wait, yeah, what is it gonna look like if I don't do an outline here? Will that look better? Yeah, that looks pretty good. The outline definitely is worse in both cases. Maybe a 5% smaller on all rows, like all... You're saying the size of the slots? Yeah, okay. That is probably pretty easily doable. We'll do that in Unity because it's annoying to change all these. Play around with that in Unity. Oh man, okay. All right, you guys, this is the final, so we have to decide. Any other people out there who want to give their opinions on? We're gonna look at two options. Okay, we're calling this option 1. Header across the whole way. Or option 2. Just the initial header. Man, you know, honestly kind of like this one. But I vote option 1. Okay, there's the option 1. I like both. I like both a lot, so I don't think there's necessarily a wrong choice. Option 1. Okay. Well, you guys sealed it then. That means all 3 people in chat are voting option 1. Okay, let's build it. Let's ship it. Here we go. This is gonna suck, dude. Option 1 does look good, and I think it will look better with what Bruce is saying if we make the inventory slots just a little smaller. We can play around with that in Unity. Okay, what do we need? We need this. Oh, something I forgot to do though. Should this be rounded? Because most of the things in my menus are rounded, so I'm just wondering, should we round these edges a little bit? I forgot to do that. Let's try, the default is 4. I know you told me that, Brutus. I know. Okay, the only little problem is that you get this like little annoying gap on the side. But that looks pretty good. As long as we have it like down a little bit. Okay. You guys like this kind of scheme here? Or should this be also curved? But I feel like if we curve this one, we just want to curve the top. Oh, actually, what we could do is we could just curve the bottom 2, and then keep these straight. Or does that look weird? That looks kind of weird. Targeting PC. I think that harsh corner looks pretty weird, so let's go back. Okay, we'll go with this. All right, we gotta save a bunch of things now. What is this? Player info menu, we got inventory menu. Yeah, let's put it in here. Let's call this gear subheader EG. Okay, and then we'll do gear subheader outline. I think the only things left are actually like these little icons in here. So. Oh, shit. think I need to make these consistent though. Consistent size. Gear. What did I call this? I had such a good name for it. Backing icon lock. Backing icon. That's the word. Gear backing icon. Good. We might need a new bait. These are actually all placeholders, just so you guys know. I blatantly copied the shit out of these from somewhere on the internet. Should probably make a folder for all these, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, I should probably be named gloves. Alright, let's try to remember to change that. Alright, that should be everything. Fishing should be changed to tackle? Good call. Okay. We'll do that. Fishing. Yeah, I didn't know what to call it. Shit. Oops. Yeah, that's perfect, actually. Because we're not actually going to have the fishing rod in here. We're also going to have some super secret special item here. I don't know what it is yet. You have to remember also, I'm going for more like stylized, like kind of fantasy style game too, so I'm not trying to make it hyper realistic. But I think these are all very necessary for a fishing game, at least as a baseline. It'd be nice to get something more like fantasy fishing mixed in as like a special slot. That's the inventory manager. Yeah, okay. We should probably... What? We have a few changes to make here. So one is we have to change this width to this guy. This is now 696, I guess. We just make it 700. This okay, actually that'll get fixed when we change this one. This one is now about 600. I don't like how there's a bigger gap between them. Did I change the size of these too? Oh, I did. Yeah. Or the height, I mean. These are like 675 now. We're gonna need to make that change too. So I would like, yeah, I would like these all to be spaced exactly the same. I think there's an option for that in this. It's called, instead of space around, is it space between? No. Huh. It's all weird. Do you think it should be the same width from the side, or... I don't know, I think this one actually needs to be like a little wider. Well, we can always just force it, but... That bothers me that that doesn't work. So I think the best option, what's going to be the most consistent and most scalable? It's going to be if we change this to be like that, and then we give it like a margin on the side. Menu player. Oh, but then that'll affect the tab container. How does this work? Yeah, they just kind of have the same spacing. This is 675 now, though. That just changes the bottom? The fuck? Oh, this is positioned absolutely? Bruh. I didn't work very hard on this. There we go. Okay. Maybe I tried this before and it didn't work for some reason. Distribute this. Oh, whoops. Okay. There we go. Yeah, this one's a little tricky. We just have to guesstimate this guy. I think there's a way to, like, move. Yeah, you can actually move it. Nice. Okay, so then what I was thinking is, in this case, then we do... All of these are going to have a given margin on the left side and the right side. Or is it padding? I think it's padding that we want. Okay, and that'll always be that space like that. $40 is not enough. Go 80. Oh, that's too much. 60. Nice. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and then we'll just have to change this to 60. And then we need to change this to be space between. Well, it looks a little weird. Maybe we can go with 50, but we'll just have to tweak it later. It's hard to get those to be the same. I'm surprised that the method that I was using, like the space. Oh, I think I know why actually. Let's try one more thing. This is frustrating. If I think if we make the pad, like the margin, the exact size of this outline, then it'll look better. I think the issue is that it's also trying to do the space between using the outline, and that makes it look weird. So if we do like, what is this, like 12 or something? Yeah, okay, it's like 12. So if we do 12 and 12, and then this is UI toolkit for you guys. This is how you get perfect UI. And then it's not even perfect in the end because I just suck and I don't know how to actually use it. Alright, and then we do space around. Yeah. Well, now the space in between is double this. Is that right? Is that what you'd want? Or do you want the same spacing? I don't know. It doesn't fucking matter. Let's move on. I like this overall. We just need to change this to 12 and 12. And this to space around. Okay. Cool. So in the inventory right container, this is where we're going to make our new visual document. Same. What are you saying same to? I lost track of what I fucking said. Wow. We are... we have to build a lot of things right now. Okay. One is... Well, to be honest, it's just like 4 of the same things. Oh, same spacing? Dude, well, it's annoying. I don't understand why UI Toolkit is doing this. Now you're gonna make me go rethink this again. I feel like that's just what the space around feature does. Is there a similar, there's a similar feature, right, in CSS? Yeah, winning? Kind of. Marginally winning. What is up, Gemini? How many days until launch? Big gems. We'll figure this out later, dude. I'm sorry, Brutus. It's gonna pain you, but we're gonna keep this. I don't know how to do it better besides just manually forcing it. And shit is bound to change, so there's no point. You can justify and center with flex. Yeah, that's, I mean... "14 days left." Hell yeah, 2 weeks coming up. Yo, yeah, you're talking about in CSS 4, but yeah. Yeah, alright. We'll come back to this. I'm over it. Dude, by the way, okay, you guys, I have some good news and I have some bad news. What do you guys want first? Well, this is just like the fucking gear container. Like, I don't even know what to call this shit. Gear. Container. Alright, then we're gonna start making our first, this is gonna be like a gear sub container. Gear sub container. There we go. Containers our most used word. Okay, you guys want the bad news first. Okay. Here's the bad news. which it's luckily it's not terrible news, so it's not that bad. Let me get this up real quick. Okay. I will read your Discord message in 1 second. So the bad news is this video was just absolutely fucking popping off first 24 hours, and then YouTube has since in the last 24 hours decided fuck you, we're not pushing your video at all. So not I'm not sure what the future of this video is at the moment. But I will say that the average watch time is absolutely insane. 403, you can see compared to my average, it's 235 more than my average. And the watch percentage is like almost 50%. It's fucking insane. So that stat is amazing. And then the click-through rate is 6.6%, which is also amazing. So the stats are there. And I'm hoping that it's just like YouTube being like, yo, we're gonna cool it for a sec and figure some shit out, and then we'll start pushing again. But anyways, that's the status of the video. Had an extremely good first 24 hours. And just to show you guys for my channel how good that first 24 hours is, I'm gonna show you guys my watch time, all-time history. And you guys can see what happened in the last day. So this is my watch time all time on my channel per day. And you can see that yesterday we had a total watch time of 189 hours, which is just insane. Previous peak was 104 hours, and then lately we've been hovering down around 35. So that just kind of shows you how insane yesterday was for this video. So anyways, bad news is though it's cooled off for whatever reason. Hoping it takes off again, but for the moment it's pretty cold. Okay, now for the good news. I'm not gonna bother showing you guys this, but the good news is 2.4K, actually it's like 2K views on the video, and I got 35 converted wish lists from that 2K views on Steam, which is so much higher of a percentage than I expected. Like, we got 35 wishlist conversions off of 2K views. That is insane. Like, that's, like, if this video, which it almost certainly will get pushed more up into, like, let's say it gets 100K views. Let's just say that happens. Which, as far as I'm guessing, it absolutely will. But, too early to tell. That is the equivalent of over 1,000 wish lists, if I keep that conversion rate up. So, the conversion rate to wish list is just crazy. Aaron said, I watched the whole thing earlier today, and it's how I first learned of you and why I'm here now. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Nice. Did it just pop up on the feed? Did that thumbnail just wrap you in, dude? It's a cool looking game. Nice. Yeah, thanks. Well, yeah, UI's a bitch. We're just fucking in UI land right now, so it's not exciting, but also it's like UI is very important. Anyways, that's the good and the bad news, you guys. Overall, I'm pretty hyped. Other Thummy was better, Trader. Dude, you guys have no idea how much fucking time I spent thinking and making thumbnails and deciding on which one I was gonna use. I was like 49%, 51% using the other one. That's how close I was. But we polished up the one that I ended up using, and I asked like 4 or 5 people. And after I polished them up, all 5 people that I asked said the second one, so that's why I went with it. How often am I wrong? You have a pretty good percentage. But your percentage isn't high enough that I'll just blindly take your advice. Not quite yet. We'll see if it gets there. On UI, at this point on UI, I distrust you, man. At this point, I think I just bother you. You probably just feel bothered by me, right? On Discord, I'm just like, hey, Brutus. I should make that a running joke in the videos. I absolutely fucking suck at UI, so I went and asked my pal, Mr. Brutus, on Discord. And then I need to get like a grumpy voice. The grumpy voice is like, you fucking idiot. You have the wrong padding on the left and the right side. You should left align your text and then have a padding of 2 pixels. It'll look way better. Bye. That's gonna be a clip in the next video. Aaron says, I'm also stuck in UI elements, and Unity anyways. Oh. Wait, oh, UI elements. That's the standard UI, right? Wait, you can't get collisions working. You're trying to do collisions with UI, or are you just talking about 2 separate things? I think it's really funny when you look at Discord and have... You know, I was just fucking losing my mind at 1 a.m. Dude, I always do that to Brutus. I just, like, I'm about to go to bed and I'm really pissed off about something I can't get right, and then I just DM him like 19 times about UI. Alright, I'm reading your messages now, Brutus. Actually, should we just make that right now, Brutus? Alright, the suggestion is, how do you guys feel about this? Having a live stream chat in the Discord where we can post like images and stuff during the live stream. We can do that. Yes, Collision, I want the credits to stop scrolling on their own after the text stops. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, are you setting up some trigger like when they come off screen, like to trigger it to stop? Strip me of my power. I did. It's true. I could give you the power back. I don't really care that much. Are you using a trigger or a collider? Are you adding like a collider and then are you checking the trigger box? Is triggered? Okay, let's make, where is this gonna go? In here? Or should I just give you admin, Brutus? You want to do it right now, Brutus, if I give you admin? Alright, I'll do it. Alright, you guys are all about to get kicked and banned by Brutus. Here we go. Stop thinking about my own problem? Alright, sounds... You'll get it, man. I trust you, yeah. I respect that you said that. Because I do get my attention drawn away. Like, I haven't worked on the game in like 10 minutes now. That's also partly why I stream. I know I'm gonna be less efficient streaming, so I'm also down here to just chill on stream. Also, 3-day weekend, like, let's celebrate that shit. I can actually get some work done. You have that sub list? Oh god. I mean, you're talking about Twitch subs? Yeah, that's right. I have to get it. Yeah, it's on Twitch. I think I know where to get it now. No, I don't want to click save. Okay, there we go. Is it community? Ah, I can never. Oh, analytics? Is that a roles manager? There's no way. Where is this? Followers list? No. Fuck, man. Let's see your current subscribers. Broadcaster dashboard, select subscribers. Wait, what? Audience? Is there an audience tab? How do I get the list? Is it under export data? What is this? Oh. Crazy. Okay, yeah. We'll figure it out later. Awesome. Great waste. Just can't even find subscriber list, dude. Fuck Twitch. So annoying. Okay. Let's make our gear sub container finally. Jesus. Okay, within gear sub container, we're gonna have our Gear sub. I don't know if I need to name all this shit. Gears. Gear sub. Gear sub. Header label. Gear sub. Header label. And then we're gonna have. Oh wait, that's not even gear sub header label. This is gear sub header. Gear sub header label goes inside. And then we're gonna do gear sub outline. Okay, gear sub header. That is gonna be. Let's make oh, hold on. I need to do something before we do this. I think you can do it automatically if you link your Twitch. That's true. Probably could just like use a command in Twitch. That'd be nice, honestly. Change the admin role the same color as mod? My guy. You don't like that color? Oh shit, I just took away admin. I owe you this? Okay. Server settings, rules. You guys don't like this color? What about the bright pink? No? Alright, there you go. There you go. It's like baby shit. That's true. It's a pretty bad color, dude. I actually regret choosing that color. You're right. We'll have to get a better admin color. It is kind of a orange-brown shit color. Alright, where's our UI? Later, oh my god, we have so many fucking icons. Yeah, we're gonna have to make another menu or another folder. Okay, those are converted. Okay, so this is gonna be gears subheader or something like that. Alright, we'll do slice mode is like 5. And then what's the actual size of this thing? 548 by 22. Alright, let's align things in the center. Let's give this a nice little padding from the top. Okay, now let's add the outline. Let's give this a slice of 5. Good. And then 548.94. Is today the day where I actually feel good in UI Toolkit? Will this be the first day ever that I'm just like, yeah, I know what I'm doing? Now next time. Not even mad at UI, it makes sense. Oh, okay, that was a burn, dude. That went deep, that cut deep. Want the channel to be a forum so people can look back through each stream chat? Ooh. Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, let's try that out. Actually, should we do that? Or is that just like too much? No, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the only problem. This could be annoying. I don't want these to be lined up like this. I want this one to actually be like... Ugh. What happens if I do this? Oh, yes. Okay, you can do that. That's good. Perfect. How did this look inside here? It's like centered. In some cases, we're gonna have to have labels down here. Oh, man. So annoying. The fact that I don't have labels sometimes and will have other times. Okay, actually, I think we can use UI Toolkit to our advantage here for once. Let's have it like auto expand based on the content size, yeah. Okay, so basically, yeah, the container is, and then we're gonna have elements of. Oh man, how are we gonna do this? Okay, so there's gonna be a row of slots, so we should have like a slot container. Slot container. Then we're gonna have a weird slot label. Oh. That was weird. Have a Discord links. All right. Yeah, I still haven't figured out how to do commands on YouTube, so I'm just a genius. There's the Discord. There is the Discord for you guys. We have live stream chats now. Okay, my only thing is, can you try something for me, Brutus? So, say I'm not following and post something. I'm not gonna see it, right? Yeah, I'm just worried, like, how will people know that there's activity going on? Like, if I'm just chilling over here, I don't really know anything's happening. Because we'll tell them? Okay. Okay, so this is more of just like a... Oh, I see what you're saying. Because, like... Oh, J-Dog! J-Dog lives, dude. Okay, actually, I knew he was alive as of last night, but still. My man is back. Back in action to just take a shit on my C# code. I'm just kidding. Oh man, how's life been, Mr. J-Dog? What have you been up to? The old UI toolkit, J-Dog. It's I'm sticking with it. You'd be proud. You'd be very proud. Alright. The number of times. It's actually true. I did say that a lot. There's a while there, I was just like, fuck, like, where's J-Dog, man? Every night. It was just every single night, man. It was crazy. Inventory slot. Let's drag this guy in here. Into our gear slot container. Oh, yeah. See, we're going the wrong way. Boom. There we go. What happens if we get 6 in there? And then we do a little, justify contents to the center. And then we do a little... Oh, no, actually, should we do space? Actually, no. That's probably good. Nice. Except... Is that really the same spacing from the top and the bottom? There's no way, dude. There we go. Oh no, dude. Who fucking redeemed push-ups? Is that Brutus? In honor of J-Dog returning? Oh fuck, I forgot about that, dude. J-Dog was getting obsessed with just making me do 1 AM push-ups last time. I forgot about that shit. Alright, push-ups. Fuck, man. Alright, here we go, dude. This is not what I wanted. just not what I wanted at all. Oh. Oh, dude. I'm in pain. Yes. I got out of push-up shape, man. I got out of push-up shape. I don't know what to tell you. 25 hertz again. Ask favorite bomb 10 bits for push-up. Oh. I mean, I guess I said I would do it. You want to? Is that a deal? Okay, I'll do it. It's a deal. God damn it. I don't know what the fuck I'm signing up for. 10 bits per push-up? That's 10? Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. I guess. I'll whore myself out for push-ups. Perfect form? Come on, dude. You know I got the perfect form. You guys can't say shit about my form. Come on. Okay, those are looking good. Let's get some labels up in this bitch. I'm nervous. Wait, J-Dog's scaring me now. He's scaring me. Whoa! What the fuck? Dude. Alright, we need to clip that though. Can we clip that real quick? Because I honestly didn't expect that. How do I clip, dude? Hello? What is this? Oh, God, dude. Where's clip? There it is. Did we miss it? Oh, dude. Just missed it. Alright. I'm absolutely fucked, you guys. Absolutely fucked. What is it, sets of... What can I... What sets should I do here? I'm gonna do sets of 20. Sets of 20. And the last set will be 10. So I ain't doing sets of 25. Lord, have mercy. Yeah, bots are always up. Oh god, we have to break out the minus. We have to break out the debt. We're in debt right now. I gotta take a little breaks because I'm legitimately not gonna be able to do it. This guy actually fucking redeemed 25. J-Dog is just vicious, man. Where'd you learn these manners from? J-Dog's a rude boy, dude. You wouldn't think it when you talk to him. And you hear that voice, dude. You wouldn't think it. You just want me to get to 2,000? What if I don't want to get to 2,000? I think I'm just gonna quit. Can I have your bits back? This is just literally a full-on workout, dude. I'm going to the gym tonight. Didn't even realize it. Alright. I think I can do another 20. Did not even realize I was hitting the fucking gym hard as fuck tonight. What? Oh, and we need a label in here too. I already have one. Oh, that's not a label. All right, 20 more. Here we go. Let's get fucking hyped. Donating via Streamlabs would have been better. That's actually true. It would have been, but I did say for the bits, but we'll do it per dollar. Any circumstances, anything for next time. Oh yeah, that hurts. Yeah, that hurts. Paying back debts always hurts. Oh, I'm so out of breath. Dude, how hot is it in here, man? I swear to God, it just went up 20 degrees. You guys feel that, dude? It feels hot as fuck. Oh my God. Do I still use medicine? No, I don't. I stopped using it for some reason. I'm trying to remember why. Why did I stop using medicine? Can't remember. It had something to do with singletons, and it really annoyed me. Oh man, what was it? Yeah, I can't really remember. It was something like with singletons where I wanted to customize the singleton more, and like it was bothering me. I'm having a hard time remembering. I feel like it's still useful, but I just like fell out of the habit, to be honest. So yeah, I think it was just like, oh, I think one day I was like, you know what? Fuck medicine. Like I'm not using it for singletons anymore. And then after I said that, I just kind of stopped using it in general. But I don't think there's any good reason beyond that. Like using it for normal things is still pretty nice. But yeah, I just kind of, I don't know. Something about the explicit way of doing it is nice at times. There also might have been weird race conditions happening in some cases that I didn't fully understand. Like, yeah, I don't know. It just seemed like I wanted to use it like all the time or none of the time, and it seemed like using it all the time was causing issues for me. So then I just like stopped using it. I didn't really like the syntax of like sometimes I had inject and then it wasn't inject and then it was inject, 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 and then no inject. And then like I would have to go and like tag function somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. Nah, it's still really useful though. But maybe it's just not for me. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna need a little padding on the bottom. Does that actually do what I want? No. Maybe it's the margin. No. Oh, it's on this one. We need padding on this one. I think. Yo, what the fuck? But I will say, J-Dog, I am fucking fully using UI Toolkit. It's been a huge pain in the ass, but every day I get one step closer to liking it. I'm doing this whole everything, literally everything, whole inventory system and everything in UI Toolkit. It's overall been fine. Like there's been no major issues, but it's just been annoying. Like learning everything in UI Toolkit. It's more of just like learning a new library of functions, you know? It's the main issue with it. Well, how do we get this stupid label to go up more? I guess we have to move the position. That's the only other way. Oh, J-Dog, I want to show you something though, actually, that you'll really appreciate, I think. There we go, right? Beautiful. There we go. What is this thing up here? Why is there a random ass... Wait, what? I don't know what's going on up here. It's a little odd. Oh, it went away. Okay. Is that 25 more? This man wants to kill me. We're just racking up a debt, dude. I'm not even confident we can do all these tonight. I was about to do 20 more, though. That's fine. You can probably redeem them faster than I can do them. Have I been adding, though? I haven't even been adding. Oh, no, I haven't. Okay. Or did I not add my last set? I've done 2 sets of 20, right? Or have I done 3 sets of 20? No, I think we're straight. I know the minus is correct. The debt is correct. I just don't know about the total. I promise not to redeem anymore for 10 more minutes. I'm on your side. Oh, thank God. This is a challenge we've never faced on the stream before. Okay, let me show you something I did here. I think you'll like it. It's one of my greatest coding accomplishments I've ever done. So, in game dev at least. In game dev. It's not that impressive. It's just pretty cool. So, where are we? So I have items, right? Which are scriptable objects. I created, let's look at this tomato one. I created stats for the item. But this isn't just any old stats list. This is a list of generics that you can mess around with in the editor. And the first entry is like an item stat scriptable objects. So we can say it's like fishing bonus. And then we can assign it a value. But we can basically create any arbitrary stat with any arbitrary value type. And we can just add it to this list. So then if I want to do like a stat type value, and I want to say something like, oh, what's the fishing method for this item? Then we can choose like harpooning from enum. So you can assign basically like any pair of values to this list using generics. And then, yeah, any item can just have any number of stats on them. You just add them here. So that was fun to add. It was kind of a bitch to get the generic shit working. Did I just get a follow that I didn't even hear? Skittles with the follow? Thank you for the follow, man. Didn't even notice all these fucking push-ups going on. I think we're gonna have to create something besides inventory slot though. It's gonna basically be a copy of inventory slot, but also like allow for backing fields or backing like icons, I guess is what I call them. And then they're also gonna have some special stats for a gear slot compared to an inventory slot. So I think I'm just gonna have to create a new one of these. But for the time being, we can just let's call this where's our Photoshop shit hook. Let's make some realistic values here. Hook. Yeah, this is gonna be a little tough. I think I'm just gonna have to like force this one. It needs to have the right initial padding. If we get the initial padding right, then but then it depends on the size of this. It's annoying, dude. That is annoying. How many push-ups have I done? Have I done 90 tonight? Or 75? Or 65? I did Brutus's 25, right? I think I've only done 60. Yeah, okay. I've only done 65. That's right. 25 plus 20 plus 20, yeah. Alright. How do we get this to line up with this? Is the question. What's the best way to do this? Maybe should it be part of the slot itself? It probably should be, huh? That's gonna have weird consequences though for drag and drop, I think. Actually, no, that should be fine. Each slot will have a name associated with it anyways. What does the gear slot need to have different? It's like this. Inventory slots are just slots. Gear slots can have a backing icon. They can have, well, I'm debating, but whether or not this label should go and be part of the slot itself. At least the slot visual elements. Like make a new UI element based off of the inventory slot. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah,
I do that, but then I add in a couple extra things. Yeah, I was basically just gonna duplicate that thing, create, maybe extend it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's just do it. I think that's the right play. So we're not gonna need this gear slots labels anymore. Oh no, what did I just do? Oh, yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Okay, and then I guess it just shrinks this thing down to 0. Okay, that's what was tripping me out for a sec. Okay, let's copy and paste. I should probably organize all this shit better. Is Unity gonna hate me if I do this? Uh-oh. I think it might hate me. Alright, we're good. Yeah, that was long overdue for a reorganization. I still need to do some more in here, but let's call this gear. We're gonna take a inventory slot here. Let's paste it inside a gear, and then we're gonna call this gear slot. Uh-oh. Just got very angry at me for some reason. What? Why did I get angry there? Oh, I think I know why. Okay. How do I duplicate this but give it a different name, dude? That's kind of annoying. Dude. It's still angry at me, man. It's so annoying. He doesn't like me anymore. I think I might need to regenerate. Okay, I think we're good now. Add the inventory slot as a primary thing, then just add extra elements. Yeah, I mean, that's... Oh, add extra elements on top? Yeah, I mean, I could do that. I kind of like the, like, just have it all in one piece, though, you know? Or I like to work in here, I guess. You know, like, I like to work in the editor. Like, I could add it in through code, but then it's, like, hard for me to, like, nail down exactly where it is. Unless that's not what you're saying. Wish I could just copy this, though.
Or like save this as? Can I save this as somehow? This UXML? I can create a template from this. I think this is the way to do it.
All right, 20 more push-ups. Here we go. Like, oh, fuck. Oh, I'm dying. Yeah, it's fucking chest day, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, J-Dog. Yep, I agree. Okay, that's what I was just trying to do. I was just trying to find the easiest way to create the element, you know? I think I have it now. Oh, no. This is not what I wanted. Oh. Hold on. Okay, can we open up gear slot now? Yes, okay. No. Fuck me. Nope. Oh, wait. I have the idea. How about this? And let me unpack. Huh. It's a little weird. I'm like kind of confused actually. How's the inventory slot work? Okay. So then, don't I just not need this guy? Yeah, okay. Jesus, man, Jesus. Toxic Thief. You found an Adobe Animate alternative? What is it? Dude, that's crazy. It's actually crazy. I forgot to do this. Push-up counter. Chipping away at our debt. Up to 1,800. Wick editor, what? Mr. Big Mick, Papa Spade is live. Indeed, indeed. When Spader goes live, it just gives me a reason to live. Dude, why you gotta say it like that? Getting off, going to bed. See you, Mick. Peace. Should we check out Wick? Wick editor? Just give it a little look. Oh, is that a web editor? Oh shit, and it, like drags things apart? What? Wait, that's pretty cool. So how do I play it? Wait. How do I interpolate? The lack of right click kills me though. Alright, well, pretty cool. Yeah, I'm sure you can tween. That's what I was trying to figure out. Oh, add tween, add tween. There we go. Okay. Oh, damn it. I don't know. I'm doing something wrong. That's very cool though. It looks like a nice little simple editor for messing around. I kind of want to try it out later. Okay, we got a gear slot. Not only do we need a gear slot though, dude. We are gonna need a little label, which is gonna go outside. This should be, okay, it is a fixed size. I'm not sure if it should go inside or out. Probably inside, to be honest, but then we'll just have to like, or I mean, the label's gonna be outside, but just in terms of this hierarchy, because if we do this, then we can center it. think we can make this text a little smaller. See how 14 looks. I don't know. Let's just give it a nice little standard offset from. Something like that. My only issue, I'm a little scared though that this isn't gonna work. Fuck. I don't know if things are gonna auto expand to this size. Which I really needed to do that, so maybe I do need to have this outside. But then it aligns to like the size of this thing, dude. Let's just see, okay, let's just see. How does this do? So let's go into have you made any animations yet, Toxic? I like the interface overall. It seemed pretty slick. I like simple tools that are just like, we're just gonna do this one thing. Because lots of times you can make them nice and easy to understand, low learning curve. Just kind of get going on them. Gear slot. Okay, we're gonna throw these in. Gear. Gear slot container. Yeah, see, this was my worry, is that this outline thing, I needed to auto expand to the size, and it's not doing that. Nope. Well, at least you can try it out one day. Gear slot. Yeah. Okay, we need to move this outside. But then see that now it goes over here. That's fucking annoying. Because now it's the size of this. I suppose I can make like a general container. Can make like a even higher up container. Make it the same size as this. Slot container is the thing with the background. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, I can make it a width of 80. But then the height's gonna be auto. Oh, there's padding though. There's always something, man. Always something. This has to be 86, dude. Whatever. Okay. So I don't really want this to grow. Okay, that's better. I have to name this. Slot. There we go. We also don't need an item count. No, we do. Yeah, we'll need that. Oh, I forgot. I did make some stuff. I dropped in Discord. Okay, for sure. Let's check it out. Oh, that's admin. Wait, where'd you drop it? Oh, nice. I forgot. I should follow this while I'm streaming. Someone's listening, dude. Someone's using the actual Discord chat. Hell yeah. That's what I like to see. Nice, man. Little. This is reminding me of Adventure Time. Have you ever watched that show? What? Is that the Rolf? Holy shit. The Rolf man. What's up? It's been a little bit. What is good in life? Not gonna lie, Spader, watching a Starfield stream. Brutus is cheating on me. Ashley. Ooh, I don't know how to say that last name. Ashley Nadu. Did I say that right? Is that you, Toxic? Wait, who's Ashley Nadu? Is Ashley, are you new? Or are you someone in Twitch? I can't fucking tell anymore. We're also streaming over on Twitch. Some people go between the two chats. New on YouTube. Okay. Ashley's new. Well, what's going on, Ashley? How's the night? Or morning? We're just checking out this mushroom animation somebody made in the chat. Looks pretty cool. Adventure Time, by the way, is it's a pretty sick show, honestly. It's just like an animated show, and it's kind of trippy. I don't think it's running anymore, but they had like 6 or 7 seasons. It's pretty awesome. Wait, it's Friday night here? Wait, what? Where is it Friday night? Is it? It's actually Friday night in New Zealand? Wait, what? What time is it there? Holy shit. What's up, New Zealand? It's 7:10 p.m. in New Zealand right now? That's crazy, dude. You guys are already fucking off work and fucking enjoying your weekend. Holy shit. How have I been, Thorolf? Dude, I've been pretty good. We've been grinding. Thorolf, did you see the new YouTube video? Wait, did this command work? Actually, you're at work, huh? Alright, when you get back from work, check out the new video on the channel. Yo, Ashley, how'd you find the stream? Did you just see the live, or you coming from the channel? 8 a.m. UK here. Yeah, J-Dog's about to get his fucking day started, but then... Oh, wait. You guys don't have Labor Day. I have a 3-day weekend. Do you have a 3-day weekend? I'm guessing not. Can you link? Yeah, I can link. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, I think everyone has checked out the new video, but if you haven't, check out the new video. It's on 24-hour stream. Pretty sure everyone in chat has. Except the Rolf. The Rolf, you're the odd one out now. Oh, you saw the live? Oh, Ashley. Oh, Ashley. You gotta go see the new video. It's my most crowning achievement on YouTube up until now. Actually, that's a lie. The open world video is still definitely the best video. Starting game dev? Oh, nice. How long you been? Are you like literally just starting, or you been doing it for a few weeks? We don't have Labor Day. We have bank holidays. Wait, but do you have it this weekend or no? Nah. Aw, damn. Okay. Stuck between VID OUT and Unreal. Well, what are your motivations for game dev? Like, what kind of game do you want to make eventually? What are your ambitions in game dev, in the world of game dev? I can try to help you out with some of the strong suits of the different game engines if you want. Oh god, okay. So this is looking pretty good, right? We got our slots. They look pretty solid. By the way, we're trying to build this right now. We're trying to just build this out in Unity. But we got the whole template in Photoshop worked out. Oh, we need the backing icon. How are we gonna do that? That's gonna be a little weird. That's gonna be... These are, oh, that's relative? This is absolute, yeah, okay. So we're just gonna add in an absolute, call this backing icon. Let's just get a placeholder one in there. What do we want to do for this bait? (64 by 64). Oh, yeah. Wait, we need to make this absolute, I think. And then we need to make the size... Let's make the size... a percent? Does that work in absolute mode? It does. Cool. Okay. We can make it like 70%. The size of the slot. Okay, and then we also need to make this pretty dim, like somewhere in the maybe 30 to 40 range here. Right, let's try 40. There we go. ARPG. Yo, tech support, what's up, man? Slots looking solid. That's what I like to hear, bro. The slots are looking pretty solid. Oh, did you see the Photoshop? There's a lot going on here, but it's good. I think it's good. I really wanted to make it so that all the gear in the bag were on the same menu, and I think we got it worked out. Lot of gameplay options here. I don't think I'm gonna try to increase the scope any further than this in terms of gear. We're gonna have our hand slot, we're gonna have our tackle options. I was considering not even doing outfits for this game, but I feel like that's just so, like, you need it. So I'm gonna do that. but they'll be like fishing bonus armor and whatever. And then gotta have accessories. Who knows what's gonna go in here, but this is just kind of like a catch-all. So when you adding co-op support, dude, fuck off. Dude, I just can't. My main goal right now is to just pump out a game. And if I do co-op, man, I'm not gonna get it done. I just know I won't. So co-op comes after the game's released. That's the answer. I was just fucking around doing like I was doing the co-op shit fishnet for a while, and like it's not like I wasn't able to do it. It was fine. It was just like so much, dude. And the debugging takes forever. It's really hard to debug multiplayer games. I think that was the biggest thing for me. Local co-op isn't too much, but online is fucked. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's like you almost need a dedicated like server person on your team. Like it's like all they do. It's so hard. So like party kit might make aspects of co-op true. I don't even know what is party kit. Yo, is Ashley back? I was waiting for Ashley to get back on YouTube so I could say my... Oh, look at my fucking face, dude. Just what we want to see, right? Oh, wait. We have to do some push-ups, dude. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. God damn. God damn. Well, it currently works outside of Jar. Just let's see, make them multiplayer almost trivially. There's gotta be some catch. Unless it's like built on the back of some system that's already in place, you know? But I feel like it's almost never trivial, like, because like one of the main issues with online multiplayer is that you don't want to just be sending like all the data, right? Like if you're gaming and you're sending the server like way more information than it needs, then your server costs kind of go through the roof, and it's like a really bad game design. So like the whole reason I feel like it's so difficult to do online is like you have to very carefully like pick and choose like what variables are being sent and received by like the host and the client, and like just having like a catch-all like, oh, I'm gonna do like single player and then I'm just gonna send everything back and forth. That just doesn't work at that scale. So yeah, I don't know. Just lets you pick bits of your local state and have it be shared, if that makes sense. Yeah, but like isn't that what Like, isn't that what like Fishnet does in netcode for game objects in Unity too? It's just like it's very trivial to just be like, oh, let me make online multiplayer and like get to like game objects like running around. Like that's like incredibly easy. I could set it up in 5 minutes. But the hard part is like whenever you have interactions between like the server and the clients and there's like timing issues and you need to like check both at the same time, like how are you gonna handle those situations? Like that's totally like that's like a completely abstract concept to anything local. So I don't know how you code in that logic just by like taking your local state. I feel like there always has to be something like very just it is networking like inherently. And of course it depends on how complex your game is. Like if it's a very like simple multiplayer game, then I'm sure you can do those types of things. But like if you want to make like a first person shooter that's online, holy shit, good luck, dude. That shit's impossible. Oh my god. And it's no surprise. I mean, like you look at like even like Fortnite. You like look at how many troubles they had with their like servers and shit. Like they have I don't probably hundreds of like networking engineers. What does Thurl say? But at the same time, dude, Unity does kind of lack the multiplayer features that I would like. It just isn't as clean as it could be. It'd be nice if there was a nicer solution that was more well documented and more universally accepted. To be fair, for small teams, man hours is worth more than the benefit of reducing network usage to a certain extent. I mean, yeah, that's true. But like, if you start just like passing over like lists of data, for no reason, it catches up really quick. Like if you're to send like a scriptable object over the network or something, you're just like, ah, fuck it, I'll send the whole scriptable object. And like in reality, all you needed was like an item ID. The ratio of that data transfer is like 1 to 1,000 or some shit. I don't know. It's a big difference. And then if you're making a game and you have like 1,000 simultaneous players, all of a sudden you've scaled your data transfer by 1,000,000. It gets scary really fast. What the fuck do I know though? I've never really made a multiplayer game. How do we center this? There we go. Is that centered? Why does that not look centered, dude? I feel like I'm tripping. Are you on your side project tech support? Are you back on the main? It's like I'm talking to a RuneScape player, dude. At some point, I want a job with a lot of networking. Yeah, it would be cool for sure. I mean, I feel like I have such a knowledge gap when it comes to networking in terms of like all my other like PC skills are fairly good, but like understanding like how like networks work, I'm like pretty shitty at, to be honest with you. Stuff's pretty hard. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, I think we're good here. Let's go back to our main one. How's this looking? We're looking pretty good here. That's how it'll look. I feel like the text is a little too big still. Well, actually, maybe I'm just saying that because I'm so zoomed in. Realistic size is like maybe this. That's pretty easy to see. Okay, we'll keep it like that for now. See how it looks. I want to say that this gap is a little too big, so let's get rid of that a little bit, and then we'll move on. I don't know what is like. Oh, there's a Okay, yeah, there's padding there. I can turn the padding off on the bottom. And then I want a little bit of padding on the bottom of this. Just like 2. And then, yeah, here we can turn this 0. Cool. Okay. Oh, what the fuck is this doing over here? There's just a stray one over on our left side. Wait, did I subtract the last push-ups? Is anybody checking this? Fuck, I keep forgetting. Keep forgetting where I'm at. J-Dog, you keeping track, bro? Worked on networks in the army was awful. My conclusion after 2 networking courses is that it's an infinite well of complexity. I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay, actually. I'm about to do some more. Oh, actually, except I know dude, I'm almost positive I didn't add 20 to the total. Because I definitely remember crossing the 1800 threshold. And then I did some since then. So yeah, we're at 1830. But I think the debt is accurate. How many total was it, dude? We got a 25 plus 25 is 50 plus 150, so we got 200. I've done 80. Sounds about right. Oh my god, I'm not even halfway there. Two-player online is like 4 players. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is confusing. That it literally I couldn't stop like whenever I was doing multiplayer, I couldn't like wrap my head around the fact that there was 4 players. Like it kept happening to me where I was like, dude, but I'm fucking accounting for that on the other one. Like I'm doing that one. Like there's only two like I did it for that guy, like the main player, and then I did it for the other guy on the other like client. And I was like, what the hell? But then you have to I kept remembering like, wait, there's fucking 4 players, dude. There's both on the host and there's both on the client. Yeah. So weird. I gotta bust through. I'm about to do another 20, but I need like 1 more minute, 2 more minutes. My arms are going weak, dude. So yeah, the next thing actually, I just realized, this right here, I think is done. But there's also this whole like gear container, right? This needs to be its own. We're gonna create a template for this. So we'll do gear container. And then we'll add a gear container, and then for each gear container, we will add um, 6 slots. Where was that? Inventory right container. Okay, we just add that. Probably do this in inventory manager. Oh, also JDog, I gave up on fast script reload, man. That shit was just causing me so many fucking bugs. I can't use it. It 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 takes away more than it gives. So buggy, man. There's so many times where it's just like, what the hell is going on? And like something hadn't actually updated or yeah, it's a pain. Yeah, it's good for small tiny projects, but yeah, it just gets crazy. Trying to watch Starfield. This chick has spent 2 hours between character creator and the first cutscene. That sounds like my girlfriend playing a fucking video game, dude. You know I'm already on map 2 and she's just watching the opening cutscene somehow. I'm like, what? She's like, I'm enjoying the immersion. I'm like, dude, I'm fucking leveling up my mining. I'm mining level 10 already. Yeah, it's hot reloading. There's probably a better option out there that's like paid, but I haven't looked into it. I honestly might pay for one if it was like actually if it actually worked and didn't bug out. Okay, inventory manager. We're gonna get a little gear container. Here, slot. And then what is all this? I don't think I need any of this. Ah, shit. I need to generate these files. All right, then I'll do 20 push-ups. Oh, that's where they came from. Yeah, I don't need that anymore. All right, 20 push-ups while this generates. Dude. Oh my God. Those ones hurt right there. Those ones actually hurt. I'm a bitch. What happened to our music? Naughty, naughty. Oh. Very true, very true. Yo, actually, here, I have a question for you. Um, yeah, that's true, dude. Why did I do that? Wait, before I ask my question, I just want to look at this. Yeah. Notice I did that. Why not? Ultra efficient.
Okay. Now we're efficient. Oh no, you're gonna yell at me for the same thing up here now. I knew it, dude. I knew it. All right, all right. All right. But yeah, I wanted to ask you this, dude. Do you have any idea about how fucking instantiating items from UI Toolkit works? Because I have a really this workaround I did feels really bad, but it works. Okay, basically, right? Let me go into my inventory. My inventory is the class that's a UI, it's a visual element. And basically, I need to instantiate something when something happens. Like for example, when like the item gets dropped, I need to like instantiate the prefab. Whereas it's in dropped items somewhere, whatever drop item is. Right? And I was hoping to just do it from here. I was hoping to just be like, yo, instantiate fucking item. But then I had to do this weird workaround where I like used my inventory manager and then called instantiate item spawned from a mono behavior. And it's fine, but it just felt it felt kind of gross to do that. But maybe that's the only way to do it. I don't know. Seems fine. Yeah, I don't know a better way to do it, to be honest, so. I just wanted to know if you had any idea there. Alright, anyways. In inventory manager, we need to create, right, a public, here. Oh. Should I create a list of the gear containers, or should they just be their own things? Like, I don't... In this case, like, I almost just want to make 4 distinct variables. I think I'm just gonna make 4. Because it's not gonna change. There's just always gonna be 4 here. But this is why I like to have J-Dog, dude. He can steer me away from this decision I'm about to make if it's an idiotic one. Say what? What? What is this error? Enum for gear slots. I was gonna do an enum for gear slots. I could do also an enum for the gear containers, but dictionary enum list of gear. Oh, sorry. That's what you're saying. Okay, that's what you think I should do. That's probably fair.
Yeah, that seems right.
We'll do that. But what the fuck is this? What is this issue right here? What the hell? Inconsistent accessibility field type of gear container? Is less accessible than field. Like what? I probably have gear container defined somewhere else? What? Ow. Partial class gear container. Oh, I think it's this. Wait, is it? I think it's this. I feel like that shouldn't be an issue. It doesn't say how many references yet. Huh. Property type gear container is less accessible than property inventory manager gear container. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me try just recompiling. I wonder if it's because I renamed gear container to gear container asset, but I wonder if it hasn't compiled yet or something. No? You go to bed? Alright, dude. Sounds good. Peace. I'll see ya. Actually, I need to go to bed soon. What in the fuck is going on? My only other thing I can think of is that like the gear container is named the same as the visual element inside of it, and that's causing some weird problem. What? It like runs, but
BRB 2 minutes. Okay. Damn, dude. I just don't know. I really don't know. Yeah. Here container is less accessible than field. Wait, hold on. Ugh. What is happening, man? Gear container. Public. Gear container. Dude, this is such a weird problem. What the fuck is happening? What if I do public gear slot? So it really is something specific to gear container. I feel like it has actually no. I created this brand new. Well, let's try something then, real quick. Let's try gear container. Let's try making it in a namespace. What? Ugh! Not what I needed at the end of the night, man. We're doing okay. And then Just all of a sudden, some really dumb shit wants to happen. Yeah, we know. We don't have gear container now, so then we say using container. Alright, that fixed it. I don't know, there must have been some weird namespace conflict that I just couldn't track down. But that works. Okay, so we're gonna create a public dictionary of, oh yeah, then let's create an enum. I'm probably gonna go put this in gear container. Nah, I'll put it here. Fuck it. Gear container, what's type? We have hands. Tackle. Enums are just simply the best. If you don't use enums, then you need to go reconsider what you're doing. Hands, tackle. Outfit, accessories. Accessories. I can spell. Gear container type. Okay, so we're going to create a dictionary of gear container type and gear container. Gear container dictionary equals new. Okay. Have you ever worked with the rest enums? Their enums have taken steroids? No. Wait, what? In what ways? I love enums, man. They're like quite literally becoming my favorite thing in programming. I'd use them for everything, man. Literally everything. Anytime I ever used to think of calling something by its name as a string, nope. Now it's an enum. That's my rule. Because I always used to make dictionaries with strings, you know? And then I realized, oh wait, I should just make enums everywhere. Okay, so in start, we're going to create... Oh, man. Dictionary, or here, container dict equals I guess what we can loop through enums actually. That's probably the better way to do it for each. How do you loop through enums? I forget. Your container, is it like dot count or something? Dot count? Fuck. I forget. Most importantly, their enums can contain data, so if you have an enum, player enemy, the player can contain a player ID, and the enemy could contain something else. You said sex in your code? Thank you. Error handling is implemented with the result enum. Okay, error. Okay, turn it up. Trying to wrap my head around that. Is that like, should I think of that as like a struct, or is that kind of a distinct thing from like a struct? Because right, like I can do like public struct, my struct. Or sorry, that's not how you initialize it. Yo, Meg. I was gonna say, I recognize that name. What is up? Meg is back in the chat. No way she made. It's called me Daddy Spade. Okay. Mikey, dude, you've been saying, I think you've been saying that around here a little too much. What is up? Finally with the follow. Number 625, that's a good number. Daddy Spade, dude. I know Mikey's just been saying it, dude. That serves you right, Mikey. Well, you can think of it as each enum value having its own struct type. Oh, okay, that's a little different. Yeah, okay, I think I understand what you're saying. That's pretty cool, yeah. That's actually very cool. That is different. Yeah, that's not something that that's not like a structure I'm familiar with in C# that is possible. Outside of having a fallen class, but facts he has. Yo, it's late as fuck. How did it become 1 a.m.? I actually need to go to bed. But how to loop through all sharp. I forget how to do this. I really need to remember the syntax, dude. C# and C++ for life. I don't know about C++ for life, but maybe C#. C# is my favorite coding language now, by the way. I like it more than Python. Python actually grosses me out now. Ever since I got better at C#, Python disgusts me. Enum.get values type of my enum. God, it's like, how am I ever gonna remember that, dude? Wait. Oh, it's this enum dot get values. There we go. Well, I guess all I have to do. Oh, do I have to use like system or something? Using system? Fuck. Okay, so we're gonna loop through the enums, and then we're gonna say, let's say visual elements here, container from equals your container asset free, and we're gonna say dict. Hold my dick. Dict. You guys, I didn't say the other word. Hold my dict. Add. I would never use such foul language on stream. Python is for pussies? Wait, what the? That came out of nowhere. Actually, okay, it didn't come out of nowhere, but I'm gonna start telling people that at my work. Imagine, dude. Someone's like, yo, I have a question about this Python script I've been, and it's Python pussies, bro. Get out of my face. Imagine. I'm learning a lot about methods in C#. Spit. Oh my god. Maybe I should switch from Python to C# then? Well, no, don't let this conversation dissuade you from learning Python. Because, believe it or not, Python is probably overall more popular than C#. Actually, I don't even think it's arguable. I think Python is just much more popular than C#. It's just a fact. Hating on Python's always a good time. I agree. It's funny because before I got pretty good at Python, I was coding in Objective-C. That was like my first language I like actually learned because I was making like iOS apps. So I programmed in Objective-C for a while. I wasn't that good at programming, but then I went to Python and I remember I just absolutely hated it because that's just like what they do in science. They just use Python. And eventually, like over the years, I finally was like, I took a liking to Python. And I was like, oh, actually Python's pretty good. It's not bad. I think it's just because I brainwashed myself and I just used it for so long and I was like, oh yeah, I love Python. And I started getting into game dev again and I started using C# more and more and more. And then I just realized like I would rather code in C# like 100 days out of 100 days than in Python. APOC, what's up? First time chatter in the chat? How's your night or morning or afternoon going? Python is great, especially for beginners and prototypes. Well, actually, okay, yeah. Like, all the hate aside, there's something that Python is really good at that a lot of other languages, pretty much every other language, just really sucks at. And that's for like quick scripting. And not just like quick scripting in general, but just like you can throw together just about anything in Python with just some stupid little script and you can do it in the easiest way possible. So you got to hand it to Python in that way, and that's why like scientists love it. You can just create fucking objects of literally anything and just like import package, write a few lines, and boom, like you have a little script outputting some analysis. So it is unparalleled in that way. It's 10 a.m. Nice. Where's that? Let's see. Let me try to play Does Spader Know Geography? You must be near J-Dog in the UK. I'm gonna say the UK. Netherlands. Okay, we're close. We're close. Is there a time difference between Netherlands and UK? Ooh, Netherlands. Actually, I love the Netherlands. I've been there. I've been there twice, I think. Been there at least 2 times. Oh, there's an hour. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I've been to Amsterdam, And I've been to... Where else have I been? I can't remember, dude. It starts with a D. Is there like is there a city that starts with a D that's near the water? Need to add this to... What's it called? Gear... UI games. Gear something. Container. No, it's called like left. Left something. Left? I give up. Netherland? I think is where Peter Pan is from. Neverland. Whole country is mostly under the sea level. I don't know how I'm still alive. I'm working on a game called Zen Fisher. It's a little fishing game in open world environments. Here, I'll try to show you a little preview in one sec if we can get this shit sorted. Let's check it out. How about you? What are you working on? You do game dev? Where is this? Where is this thing, dude? This is the problem about big projects, man. It's impossible to remember where anything is. I need to add it to this. Inventory right container. See, why is it not there, man? Inventory, right. It's not there. Let me regenerate this file. UI game scene. I don't know why it's being weird. Didn't do anything. Dude. It's UI gen. Should have access to all of these. Inventory right container. It's right there. Show the new video to Meg, dude. It is a slapper, absolute slapper. Yeah, you guys check out the video if you haven't. I know fucking pretty much all of you have. Dude, okay, I swear to God I did this command and it just didn't work. Guys, this is a banger video. Please help me out and watch it. I do in the free time. I just want to work. I just want to have some background noise. Gotcha. Get to know new dev mate. Alrighty. Dude, yeah, I do that all the time at work. It's nice to have just someone working in spirit with you. Does this play? No. Okay, as soon as I can play this, I will show you the game. I'm kind of confused though, like, what? Why can I not access these? They are private, but I'm in the same class. UI game scene. And it's called inventory. Oh, we can get it. Was I in the wrong class? UI game scene. Oh, but I'm trying to access it from even further out. That's probably why. I think I'm in the wrong class. Wait, what do you mean? Also, welcome to the stream, Deflux. God damn, it's fucking late. Yeah, J-Dog. So, what do you think the best way to do this is? Like, if I want to access these generated values from, like, outside the class, do you think it's okay to just do this? You're gonna hate me. How much do you hate me right now? Deflex, oh, I'm in the poor class, I'm poor as fuck. It's messed up. You're using Unity? Oh man, I wish I wish Unity had DI like .NET 6 does. Wait, what do you mean DI? Oh, Deflex, what country do you live in? That'd be disgusting. That's true, okay. Yeah, okay, let's not do that. Should I just do like add to gear container? Add to right container. Add elements. It annoys me though that it by default privates all those things, and I wish there was like a way to like choose which ones were not privated somehow. But anyways, I guess we got to come in and over here and do it this way. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I guess let's test it out. Is oh man, chat is just absolutely going off. Is Apoc still here? You want to see a little tour of Zen Fisher, you guys? Let's see if it works. Ah, dude, these errors, man. Oh, I hate this one. Okay, can somebody please tell me the best way to deal with this? This conflict between system.random and Unity engine.random. I have a using statement. It's just I have a using statement for both system and for both the Unity engine. And I always have to do this, which is really annoying. I'm just gonna do this again. Using random equals unity.random. Can you do that? Oh my god. Wait, what? You're a legend if that works. Does that really work? Fucking legend, bro. Thorolf wins prize of the night for teaching me the best thing I've learned tonight. Thank you, Thorolf. That is sick. What is Zen Fisher? Oh, over on YouTube? I think somebody asked that over on YouTube. Zen Fisher? Well, it's a game I'm developing. I'll show you right now. Here we go. It should compile now. Hey, I was suggesting it too. Oh, were you? My bad. I didn't know. Well, you said the using part, but I guess. Oh, is that what you meant when you said a using statement? I got you. I thought you meant just normal using. Hey, yeah, that's a clutch move, you guys. All right, here's Zen Fisher. So I'll show you what we got so far. It's not a ton, but it's getting there, building up a little bit. We got our world that we're building up a little bit, but I kind of stopped on that. We got the fishing rod. We got animations for walking, for sprinting, jumping, and shit. We can jump. And we can crouch. And then we can fish. And we can wait a little bit, and then we'll catch a fish eventually. All right, we caught a fish. What else? We can go in this portal into a different biome. All right, we can come back. And then I just been working on the UI, to be honest with you guys, for a while now, man. The UI is really complicated. But we have inventory working, like swaps and everything. We can split by right-clicking. We get pop-ups when we hover over an item slot for a little bit. Item stack. And we're working on this gear menu over here on the right. So that's Zen Fisher. Looks sick? You like it? Hell yeah. That's what I like to hear. Also, I'll just give you guys a little exclamation Zen Fisher. If you guys want to help me out and just wishlist it for free, it's totally free. I would hugely appreciate it, you guys. Just got it on the Steam store. Thank you for the follow, Apoc. Appreciate that. Zan over on YouTube. Good luck. Keep going. Thanks, dude. What's Thrall doing up so early? Man's working. He's working his ass off. This is the first time I've seen the Thrall though, and man, it's been like what, 2 weeks probably? It's been a little bit. Alright, I should really go to bed, you guys. Damn, it's late. It's late. But I appreciate you guys. It's been a super fun stream. This was definitely one of the most fun streams. I'll do 20 push-ups for J-Dog when we get off, but I still owe the man 80. Shout out to J-Dog. If you stream for another 27 minutes, you will get 420. Dude, I mean, whoop whoop, yes, I agree. But also, I gotta work in the morning, so fuck that. Fuck that. But hey, you guys enjoy your 420. You have to merge pull requests all day. Oh. Oh god, I feel for you, man. Yeah, work today was pretty ass for me too. It was I was trying to figure out why a SQL query using one backend took 1 second and why it took 10 seconds using a different backend. Spent like 6 hours trying to figure that shit out. We finally got it, but damn. Today was not a fun day. Alright, 20 push-ups and I'm off. Alright, J-Dog. I owe you 80 push-ups. I'm gonna save them for you. Next time I see you on the stream, J-Dog, I'm doing the 80 for you. Turns out 200 push-ups is a lot in a night. Alright, you guys. Thanks for chilling. I will be live in 2 days. Day after tomorrow. I'm so out of breath. Alright. Video's fire. Hell yeah. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.